In today's video, I continue working on the 61 Dodge Dart Phoenix. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to continue working on the 61 Dodge Dart by tearing apart the front end, getting the spindles, getting it ready to have the brakes, all the ball joints, all the rubber parts, everything replaced on the front end, paint it all up, make it look nice. Let's get to work. Alright, as you can see, I got my tools out here ready. Get the front end here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jack it up and put it on jack stands and go ahead and take off the tires. On Dodges, for some reason, I'm going to tell you this, it has for left-handed, these left-handed threads. So when you're doing your gun, you don't put it, go in reverse, you go forward on this side. The other side's right-handed. So I think Dodge is the only ones that do that, at least American cars. Alright, let's go ahead and take off this cap if I can. I hope, oh yeah. Ooh, there we go. Alright, there's that. You got your cotter pin. That. Well, they don't feel too bad. Not really ain't grooved or anything, but I don't really, as you see, the one thing I hate about this is two wheel cylinders, one on top and bottom. Later Dodges, actually all American, they only have one, and it controls both. The rear will only have one. I don't know why they did this, so I don't know, but I'm hoping to do something different. I'm hoping to either, if I keep with drums, I'm going to get a later model backing plate and all the brake gear, and just to convert it to a wheel cylinder, one wheel cylinder. But I also really want to get discs for the front, disc brakes. I'm looking into that. I've been seeing what the best deal I can get, but we'll have to see. I'll just see if my budget can do it. All right, let's get back to work. get the persuader out. Let's see if that'll do it. As you saw, I was trying to take out the bracket here, but I said, let's take the whole, or the clip, I mean. Let's take out the whole bracket, and I'll get it off in my workbench. A lot easier. So, these should just come right off. There's that. And there it is. Oh, there we go. That's how you hold on that. I was not aware of that. All right, there you go. Okay, here's the other clip, or cotter pin. Oops. There we go. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and check this side. Let's see how the brake drums are and everything. Then we'll start taking off all the suspension. I think these could probably be churned again, but like I said on the last one, I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or not. I don't know. I'd like to get discs, but I don't know. We'll see. See what the budget says. And when I say budget, I mean my wife. go, it's off. There we go. All right, let's go ahead. Start this up. Start getting these off. Come on. There we go. My steering box is in the way of getting this out. Oh my gosh. That's horrible. That is just horrible. So now I gotta drop my... Guess I gotta drop my thing. Wow, my steering box. Alright, here's some of the parts that I have already off my car. And what I want to do now is I'm going to scrape off as much as I can before I put it in the parts washer. I want to, get as much off as I can so my solvent doesn't have to work as hard. Alright, so let's get this going. Alright, I'll probably have to soak this for a while and redo it again. Looks like it's going to be a few days thing. Wow. Look at the bushings, are just, wow. Alright, this is my parts washer that I have. I want to show the kind of solvent that I use. Actually it's just Purple Power. I get it from where do I get it from? Oh, O'Reilly's. You know, it works pretty good, and you can dilute it down if you want. I try to use the highest strength that I can for especially stuff like this. And the one thing you must know, or you must do, is always wear gloves. And we're talking the rubber chemical gloves, not just regular latex gloves, because it will eat those right off your hand. And if you use bare hands, it'll just dry them out like there's no tomorrow. So let's go ahead and fill this up. Alright, all I had was 7.5 gallons. This is a 20-gallon tank. I'm probably going to go get maybe a couple more, and the rest I'll probably just dilute with water. But I got a pretty good base now. I don't know if you can see, but it's starting. You can start just seeing it coming off, and you can see it's all dirt, you know. Yeah, you can see it's all turning black now instead of the purple. So it works. It works pretty good. Alright everyone, I just want to say that I'm sorry there's not more content today, that the video's not longer. I am a stay-at-home father, and my kids, I have two 6-year-old twins and a 3-year-old. The 2 6-year-olds are being homeschooled, and my wife works from home. My 3-year-old can't be left alone for more than 2 seconds, because she just tears everything up. But hopefully later on I will be able to get more content, longer videos, and stuff like that. Check out a new video every Saturday morning. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects. Also email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. And also remember, I still have parts for sale. I have my transmission back there. Also I have an air conditioning system. Also I'm gonna have a few other parts coming up real soon. So you can get a hold of me on my Instagram or Facebook, or on my Gmail account. And since you're here, why don't you go ahead and check out these 2 videos right here. Also hit that subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.